guys, welcome to the new video and channel Techno Upskill. So today we are going to learn this four commands: CP, CPI-R, ME, MER. Okay, so we need to run this command in Ubuntu only. So let us go directly and we can start. So I have Ubuntu server here. So let me show you. Your name is the command to show the Linux. Okay, the distribution name is now who I am. Okay, this is the Ubuntu I'm using. So let us start. So okay, I don't have anything. So let us start fresh. So rm command we already runs it. So we will run this four commands. Okay, cp commands. Cp in the sense copy files or directories. So the command is like copy file one, file two. Copies file one to file two means it doesn't mean that file is going to copy in file two. So inside file we can't create file, right? So it will copy whatever content is there in the file one. It will copy it to the file two. So let us go and try practical. Okay, so right now I don't have anything, right? So let me create one file. So vim file one dot txt. Press enter to insert mode. Type this is uh, file to copy the content from uh, one file to another. Okay, got it. So let us save it. To save what command we need to use, please comment me down guys into the our video below. So we have to save the files means we have to press first escape. It will come from insert mode. Then we have to press colon WQ enter. So let us check what is the content in our file. So this is our content. So right now we have only one file. So let us create one more file. So um, touch file2.txt. See, we have two files now. Okay. So we need to copy the file content from file 1 to file 2. So in file 2 we don't have anything. Cat file 2. See, we don't have anything, right? And so in file 1 this is the content. So let us execute the command now. CP command. So copy file 1 to file 2. So CP file 1 to file 2. Correct? Is this command correct, guys? Let's check. Enter. Yes, it is executed. Let us see. Okay, files are there, so it might be copied. So earlier we checked nothing was there in the file 2, right? So let us check what is there in the file 2. Yes, see, it's copied successfully. So we have executed this first command successfully. Next we need to go for next command cp-r. Copy directories recursively. Copy -r directory 1 directory 2. Copy directory 1 and its content to the directory 2. So what it means, like, so in we have one directory 1. Inside that there are some files or multiple directories. Okay, so we need to copy this folder like directory, and whatever inside whatever is their content it should copy to the file directory 2. Okay, so recursively means it copy everything whatever there inside, it will copy and it will paste it to the new directory. So let us execute cp-r. So for that we don't have folder, right? Let us create one folder mkdir folder 1. Okay, so ls we created folder, right? So let's create one more file into the folder 1. How to create? Very simple. We have to go to that folder and we have to create. Parallelly also we can do one more thing, like we can go keep touch and give folder 1 and create here file name file3.txt. See, the file is created inside this folder, not in the current directory. If you want to check, you can create folder 1 ls. Okay, file is there. So go back. Okay, now We need one more folder, right? So mkdir. Also, you no need to create. If you use this cp command and hyphen r, right, it will automatically create new folder also. Let us see. This is the one, right? Directory one, directory. So folder one. So we have to copy to the folder two. So we didn't create a folder two, okay, but it will create automatically and it will copy everything into the copied folder two. See, folder two is should be created. Yes, it's created. Let's go to the folder two. Okay, let's see. File is copied successfully. Let's come back. So next, this command also successfully executed. Now move file one to file two. So we copied now. File move in the sense like it move as well as it will copy. It will move and rename as well. Sorry, move and rename. How it works? So right now, let us clear this screen. Right now I have file one, file two. So let us rename env file one to what we can rename it, file three dot txt. See, it's executed. If I run this command, I won't get file one. See, we are getting file three, and content also we can copy file three. See, content also copied. So this command also successfully we have run. So now we need to run this prompt before override. Okay. So sometimes we need the content of the file, then only it will override. Okay. That's automatically. It won't ask. It won't ask prompt. Which indirectly is asking it will ask prompt. But sometimes if there is no content, it won't ask. Let us check how we can execute it. So what I have here, file, file 3. File asking, right? There is content inside. Copyright for starting when we run first command. You have to press yes or no. If you press yes, file also content whatever there in this, it's copied here and renamed. So that's it, guys. We completed this for. Let me know if you need any help. So we can connect next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Please support, guys. Thank you so much.